Okay, looking at this one, we're now working with a triangular prism. So as we're looking at this triangular prism, we have 5 sides instead of 6. Starting on the base of the triangle over here, we need to do the area of this triangle. Now the formula for the area of a triangle is base times by height divided by 2. To find the base and the height, what we're looking for is the right angle inside of the triangle in order to identify our base as 12 and our height as 8. So we would do 12 times by 8 divided by 2. 12 times by 8 is going to give us 96. 96 divided by 2 is going to give us 48. Now, we have 2 of these. We have one in the front and one in the back. So we're going to end up multiplying that 48 by 2, and that's going to get us back to that 96 for our 2 triangles. So 48 was for one triangle, 96 is for 2 triangles. Now we need to look at the 3 sides of our triangular prism. So let's start with the bottom side, which we can see is going to be 12 feet by 24 feet. And that's going to be just the bottom side of our triangular prism. So we're going to take 24 and we're going to times it by 12. When we do that, 2 and 4 becomes 8, 2 and 2 becomes 4. We add the 0, we get 4 and then 2. Add this all together, we get 8, 8 and 2. So we have 288 for the bottom of our triangular prism. Looking at the right side of our triangular prism, we can see that this length here is going to be 10 feet by 24 feet. So as we're looking at this side, we're going to say that's going to be 10 times by 24, which we know is going to be 240. And then when we're looking at the last side here, this is also going to be 10 feet by 24 feet. So as we're going through this here, we're going to see 10 times by 24 is equal to 240. So as we're going through and finding the total area, we have our 5 sides. We have our 2 triangles, which makes 96. We have the bottom, which was 288. We have the right rectangle, which was 240, and the left rectangle, which is 240. So the 2 of these becomes 480, and we'll add that in just a sec. 6 and 8 becomes 14, carry the 1, 9 and 8 becomes 17, plus the 1 is going to be 18, carry the 1 is going to be 384. Again, this is for the bottom and our bases, and then we add in the 480 from the rectangle on the left and on the right, and we end up at 416, carry the 1, and that becomes 8. So the total area of this prism is going to be 864 feet squared.